Fireworks! Just zoom in. Had to zoom in to see these. They're that far.
Fucking boots.
Let's go. They're hiding behind the tree. Let's go. Let's wait. I had to zoom in the camera to show everyone. Now they're kind of getting bigger. Still zoomed in so I can see them better. Or else it'd be hard from standing here. This looks like a giant explosion.
They're supposed to be over there.
Yeah, they're supposed to be this way. But instead, they're over here, unfortunately.
Yeah, they are doing them in a different spot.
So they're kind of hard to see. It's cold. Fortunately, we're only at the house doing this. Usually you can see them clearly. Boom.
It's not that cold out.
I know. Hey. Want some more? Boom. They're literally, whoever lives over there sees them clear. They used to.
Usually we do, because they were between those two lights, but now they just...
Yeah, they're usually over here, but now they're over here, so. That's why you have to zoom in to see them. Boom. What? More? It can't be all of them, right? There we go. Boom, boom, boom. It's amazing. Bye-bye. Already 4 minutes into the fireworks, so that's still not too bad, but
You got 4 minutes?
yeah, 5 minutes now. zoom in more for everyone here. I'm trying to make him go higher, but it's not working. Well, you still see the wonderful trees. Hmm. Six minutes into these fireworks.
Yeah, they're pretty long here, Strasbourg.
Any more? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Now we're getting them.
These are the best ones. Always leave the best to last.
Let's go.
Happy 2025.
It's New Year's now, baby. Now they're higher. Still zoomed in so we can see them better. Going back to the small ones. Almost 8 minutes into the video. Let's see. Wonder how long is this gonna take?
I think we are done.
Round and round and round and around. Well,
And done.
I think that's it. I think 8 minutes is good enough. I'm getting cold. I'm going inside now. Enjoy. Goodbye.